Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, who most gracious and most merciful, Excellency Dr. Hairatul Hidayati and Dr. Hidayuddin Madun as Director of Pesantren Sekolah Ramadan Muda, Honorable all my teacher, senior and junior Ramadan Muda, respectable my mom, my dad and my family, and all my friends who I met. With all I say thanks to Allah who give us opportunity so we can live together in this day. Seperti salawat and salam to Prophet Muhammad SAW. Hello my friend, my name is Yusuf Stella. I'm from I grade high school Larawan Vida. So I'm from of you. I would like to process my imagination look under little difference of types of sneezes. Is sneezes as often as awareness of their sneeze looks surprising. But the sneeze found differences. Probably international. Other reasons for sneeze variations. Sensitivity to illnesses from allergies. That above the difference stimulate together. Come from the first the mosquitoes. Next, the sneeze probably. This is where disposing of even probably nose with a tissue when covering your mouth. Okay, next about activity of sneeze in Islam. In Islam, do you acknowledge Allah as a excuses for this league? The warning as a Muslim, you can ever again was based sneezing. Alex was this after sneeze, say Alhamdulillah. 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 Okay, I think now. Sorry, my Mr. Thanks you for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.